Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the ice dispenser door on your LG refrigerator. If you are experiencing problem like ice not dispensing properly, frost forming in the ice compartment, or ice cubes frozen together in the ice bin, it might be time to look into this part. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical appliance repair tips. Let's get to work and have your refrigerator back in tip-top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Putty knife, and a torque 10 screwdriver. The ice dispenser door is located at the bottom of the ice chute inside the dispenser. It opens when the ice dispenser button is pressed, allowing ice to be dispensed from the ice bin. To get to it, we will need to remove the entire dispenser assembly. Unplug the refrigerator before going any further. Then push on the corner of the drip pan grill and remove it. With the Flatblade screwdriver, pry out the drip tray and slide it out. Next, I recommend removing the left side door handle. You will have much better access to the right side of the dispenser. Use a torque 10 screwdriver to loose up 2 screws and remove the handle. Using the Putty knife, free the display clips around the perimeter. Don't kill yourself if you'll break 1 or 2 clips along the way. Trust me, it's still going to work. Carefully put the dispenser assembly down. Don't damage the wiring harness. The ice dispenser door is supported with 2 hinges, one on each side, and operated by the dispenser door motor via the dispenser door link. There are 2 springs that assure tight closure, and on the left you can see the door link that connects the motor with the dispenser door hook. Test visually if any of the hinges, springs, or the end hook is broken. With any physical damage, the door won't stay closed or won't open. To remove the old dispenser door, use a Phillips screwdriver to take out 2 screws and loosen up the 3rd one. Now slide the dispenser motor out. Using the same screwdriver, take out 2 screws and remove the small retainer bracket on the left. Open the dispenser door and slide it left to free the hinges. Careful not to lose the springs while removing them. Here's the old ice dispenser door next to the new one. If you have already got one, great. If not, you can get one at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new dispenser door in, we need to place 2 springs on. The spring with the hook goes to the right, the little hook mounts inside the hole. The other one slides on to the left side hinge pin, with the short end inside the groove. Next, we need to perform a small miracle. Simultaneously, both hinge pins go in with the springs winded against the top, and the hook on the left interlocks with the dispenser link. The pin on the link locks inside the hook. Install the retainer bracket and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Reinstall the dispenser door motor so the actuator pin is pressed against the link paddle. Make sure the pin on the link is still inside the dispenser door hook. Secure it with 2 Phillips screws, then tighten the 3rd one. Make sure the wires are not on the way and install the dispenser assembly. Press the edges in to lock the clips. Slide the drip tray in and place the grill on. Install the door handle and use the torque 10 screwdriver to tighten the screws. Don't forget to plug the fridge in. Congratulations on a great job getting your ice dispenser door taken care of and your LG refrigerator back in working order. We would love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share how your repair went in the comments below. If you find you still need the new ice dispenser door, remember you can easily find what you're looking for at AppliancePartsPros.com, when most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for trusting us with your appliance repair, and we look forward to being part of your next DIY project.